Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super easy Instant Pot dinner. It is called French onion beef stew. So easy to make. Just kind of throw everything in the Instant Pot and let it do its thing. I've got everything set out here behind me, ready to go. So let's get this started. Okay guys, I kind of got everything laid out here and I hope you can see everything. So I'm just going to start off from the left to right and go over everything. So first off, you're just going to need about 1 pound to 2 pounds of stew meat. I've just got a beef roast here that I just diced up. You're also going to need some potatoes. I've got roughly about 4 large potatoes. I've got about 6 medium-sized carrots that I've just peeled and just diced. I've got 1 onion that I thinly sliced. It doesn't have to be perfect. I've got beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, about 2 tablespoons. This is about 4 cups of beef broth. I've also got some thyme. This is about 1/2 teaspoon. 1 bay leaf. About 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that I've just got minced. You're also going to need a 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, pepper. You're also going to need a can of French onion soup and a can of beef consomme. Okay, first what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and add our flour to our beef. Just want to toss this around, get it completely coated. Okay, now we're going to set this aside. We're going to bring in our Instant Pot. So, for our Instant Pot, you're going to hit the saute function. You're going to let that come up to heat. It should take about a minute or two. Okay guys, now that this is up to heat, I've just added my butter and my onions. Let me give that a toss. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And we're just going to cook these onions until they get tender and a little bit translucent because they're going to finish cooking in the pot later. So I am just going to go ahead and finish these onions, and I'll meet you right back here for the next step. Okay guys, the onions are somewhat tender. They still have quite a bite to them. So now we are going to add in our beef. I'm just going to spread this out and let them brown on all sides. It should take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. So I'm just going to do this and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, now what we're going to do, since my meat is somewhat browned, we're going to go ahead and add in our 1 can of beef consomme. This is just going to help deglaze the bottom of the pan. And just go in and kind of scrape all those bits off of the bottom. Okay, I've got that all mixed in. We're going to go ahead and add in our 1 can of French onion soup, our thyme and bay leaf, Worcestershire sauce, garlic. I'm going to give this a mix, just to mix all of that together. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our beef broth. potatoes and our carrots. Now go ahead and give this a mix. Get all of those flavors incorporated. Okay. Now we're just going to attach the lid. Turn off the saute function. Hit the manual button. We're going to set it for 25 minutes. Make sure it's set to seal. You're going to let this cook for 25 minutes and then you're going to let it naturally release for about 15 minutes. And then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to take that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'm going to go eat and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.